What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. In today's video, we are going to talk about the brand new coin layer one. It's called the Nibiru. Okay, Nibiru just got listed on CoinGecko and just went live mainnet. So it got listed on Gate.io, Kucoin, Mex, and Bybit, okay, and potentially will get listed on Binance and Coinbase, okay. So if you want to catch a brand new layer one coin blockchain, you can find it right here. So Twitter has 609,000 followers, okay, and a lot of people are following big fish in the crypto space, Twitter space are following, so that means something. Okay, so we can see over here all-time low was 9 hours ago, 0.49 cents, all-time high 0.96. Obviously people are taking profits right now, which is normal, but once that dump is over, this thing will go back up potentially. Right now, financial advice, look at the trading volume, $111 million. Okay, and how many people are following this thing? Let me just see if I can find it. So 5,115 people are following this thing. Okay, so potentially this thing will grow. Keep in mind this is just a few hours old. Okay, and you can buy on Kucoin, Gate.io, Next, CoinX, Bybit. All right, for now, but this thing will get listed in a few other exchanges. All right, so if you want to buy a coin where you can potentially make some money, this is the coin. Okay, so all the links going to be down in the description. Obviously, do your own research. Just come over here. So I will leave you this file as well so you can check it out, so you can read more information about this project. And also I'm going to leave the website and everything so you can come over here and read more about this layer one blockchain. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.